Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Avino, a board-certified, fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee arthritis and robotic joint replacement. I serve patients across Palm Beach and Martin counties. I completed my training at the University of Chicago and Cleveland Clinic. Since then, I've performed over 1,000 joint replacements, combining Mako robotic-assisted surgery with a personalized, team-based approach, focused on precision and outcomes. For hip replacement, I use the direct anterior approach with robotic assistance, which preserves muscle and supports a faster recovery. And for select patients, I offer the Bikini Incision, which follows natural skin lines to improve healing and minimize visible scarring. I also perform robotic total knee and partial knee replacements using the same technology. Many of my patients go home the same day as surgery through our streamlined outpatient joint replacement program. Whether you're an athlete, a nurse, a business leader, or someone who just wants to move without pain, I take time to understand your goals, guide you through every option, including non-surgical treatment. Together with my dedicated care team, we provide compassionate, collaborative care from your first consultation through full recovery.